Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Are you tired of your iPhone snapshots falling short of your creative vision? Well, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of iPhone photography and introducing you to a game-changing project on Kickstarter. Introducing Sparkmaster, the revolutionary gadget that's about to take your iPhone photography to a whole new level. Whether you're a casual snapper or an aspiring pro, Sparkmaster can transform your ordinary snapshots into stunning masterpieces. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless photos. Sparkmaster's intelligent auto-enhancement technology analyzes your photos and applies adjustments that make your image's pop colors become more vibrant. Details get crisper, and your photos will radiate with professional flair. Express your unique style with an array of creative filters and effects. From vintage vibes to modern aesthetics, Sparkmaster offers a wide range of options to elevate your images and tell your visual story. With Sparkmaster, you're in the driver's seat. Fine-tune your photos using precise controls. Adjust lighting, contrast, and more to achieve the exact look you want. It's like having a professional photo editing suite right in your pocket. There you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the incredible capabilities of Sparkmaster. If you're as excited as we are about transforming your iPhone photography, don't miss out on the Kickstarter campaign. The link is in the description below. Thanks for tuning into our channel, and remember, with Sparkmaster, every snapshot is a step closer to a masterpiece. See you in the next video.